The upcoming Indian two-wheeler EV manufacturer Simple Energy has moved its first product offering to the testing phase in the country. The upcoming electric scooter was spotted testing on a racetrack. The EV maker has also decided on a manufacturing facility in Bangalore located in Whitefield. The facility will start to function with a maximum production capacity of 50,000 units annually. The state-of-the-art facility will also be used to produce further products in the brand's pipeline. The company is working on an innovative product that features a unique powertrain paired with software, which according to the company will make the upcoming scooter the smartest product. They also state that the new technology will be the base for developing the upcoming products in the pipeline. As per the product specs revealed, the Mark II will have a 4.8 kWh lithium-ion battery. The scooter will feature a maximum claimed range of 240 km in eco mode on a single battery charge. The upcoming scooter can accelerate from 0 to 50 km/h in 3.6 seconds and feature a top speed of 100 km/h. This could make it the fastest electric scooter sold in the country, taking the title away from Ather 450X's top speed of 85 km/h. Other key features are a mid-drive motor along with a removable battery and futuristic design. It also comes with smart features like a touchscreen, an onboard navigation, Bluetooth, etc. According to the company, the e-scooter will have the largest boot space that the Indian EV industry has ever seen. It will also be built in India from scratch. Simple Energy states that it has shifted its complete focus on developing a world-class product. This is because many investors are looking to support the race to the evolution of sustainable solutions majorly in the space of mobility. The company is looking to launch their highly anticipated flagship product this year. The launch dates of the upcoming scooter will be revealed soon. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.